Welcome back to Tire Talk, your go-to channel for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of cars and SUVs. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that perfectly blends practicality, style, and innovation. Toyota has taken a familiar favorite and given it a modern twist, turning the Corolla Cross into one of the most balanced and appealing vehicles in its segment. The 2026 Corolla Cross continues Toyota's mission of offering efficiency without compromise. It's built on the brand's TNGA-C platform, which provides a more stable ride, better handling, and enhanced comfort. The exterior design is sharper and more aerodynamic, featuring a bolder front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a refreshed rear profile that gives it a more premium SUV appearance. This model looks more muscular and confident on the road while maintaining the everyday usability that Corolla owners love. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers both gasoline and hybrid powertrains. The hybrid variant stands out for its impressive fuel efficiency, delivering excellent mileage for drivers who value performance and eco-friendliness together. The power delivery feels smooth, and the updated CVT transmission enhances responsiveness. Toyota's hybrid technology continues to shine, offering a quiet drive with seamless transitions between electric and gas modes. Inside, the cabin has been upgraded with higher quality materials and a cleaner, more minimalist design. The layout feels intuitive, with plenty of soft touch surfaces and clever storage areas. The infotainment system now features a larger touchscreen with Toyota's latest interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded sound system that enhances the overall driving experience. Passenger comfort is also a priority, with generous legroom, improved seat support, and a quiet cabin that filters out most road noise. In terms of safety, Toyota leaves no room for compromise. The 2026 Corolla Cross includes Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, which adds smarter adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an improved pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection. With these advanced features, drivers get extra confidence on both city streets and highways. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a compact SUV designed for modern lifestyles. It offers the reliability Toyota is known for, with added style, comfort, and technology that make it stand out in the competitive crossover market. Whether you're a daily commuter or a small family, this SUV delivers practicality and refinement in one attractive package. If you enjoyed this review and want more updates on the latest car models, make sure to subscribe to Tire Talk for more exciting automotive content coming your way.